Good morning, Devil Dogs, and welcome back to my channel. And for you new guys, welcome back, recruits. Well, guys, I just want to go ahead and do a quick video for you guys and say happy Memorial Weekend. Hopefully, you're enjoying your time with your family and your friends out there. It's just remember to stay safe and stay safe and enjoy your time. You guys deserve that time with your family. So one of the things I want to touch for you guys, just so some of the videos are going to be posting pretty soon. I have two items that I'm working on right now, and that will be the Jabras or the Elite 75Ts for you guys. So I'm going to be doing the review on the unboxing. And the other item that I'm going to be working on is the Xbox Elite Series 2. If you guys don't know what it is, it's actually a controller for gamers. It's a really good controller. So guys, one more time, I don't want to take all your time. I just want to do a brief video for you guys, and I want to say one more time, happy Memorial Day. Enjoy your time with your family. You guys deserve it. Stay safe, stay cool, and I'll see you next time. Ladies.